Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about multiplication today. We are going to start by doing 6 times 8, and I'm going to show you one strategy to solve a multiplication problem, okay? Now, 6 times 8, I like to remember that this times sign can stand for groups of. So we have 6 groups of 8. So I'm going to draw a picture and I'm going to make 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put 8 in each group. I like to use tally marks, and I'm going to show you why at the end, okay? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I do not know how to count by 8s, I'm going to count by 5s and 3s to solve my problem. So if you look at this, see how there's 5 up here and 3? That's like all of them. So I'm going to do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 30 plus 18 would equal 48. So 6 times 8 equals 48. Hey guys, in this one I'm going to show you how we would solve 4 times 7 by making an array, okay? So 4 times 7, I'm going to think of this times sign as rows of. So I have 4 rows of 7. So I'm going to make 4 rows. I'm going to put 7 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, once I have my picture, there's a couple ways to do it. I can count all the dots, which is going to take a long time, right? I could say 7 plus 7. So this is 7 plus 7. I know that that is 14. So this would be 7 and 7, and that would be 14. And then I could add 14 plus 14 would be 28. Okay. I could also look at my columns, and I could count by 4. So I could say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and that would get me 28. Another way to do it is use the distributive property and break this array apart. So if I draw a line through the middle of my array like that, this top array right here shows me 2 times 7. And this bottom array right here shows me 2 times 7. So I have 2 times 7 equals 14, and 14 plus 14 equals 28. So that's using an array to solve. In this video, I'm going to use a distributive property to solve a problem. Distributive property is a good property to use when you have numbers that are a little bit bigger and you don't know how to count by these numbers, okay? So if I do 9 times 8, I am going to use distributive property to break apart my number. So if I take 9 and I break it into 2 numbers that would add up to be 9, this time I will use 4 and 5. Now, once I break this apart, this goes away, okay? So I have 4 times 8 plus 5 times 8. Those are my 2 new problems. So if I count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. This one would be 32 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And if I add those 2 together, it equals 72. So 9 times 8 equals 72.